Hi, today we are going to see demo for retail distributor MERN web application. First we will open the MongoDB. Click on the connect. Here you can able to see the all backend database on this table. Next go to the Visual Studio. Explore the SRC folder. Then you can view the backend and the client folders on this page. Next click on the client and go to the SRC file. Here you can see the components. It's our React.js components files. Then go to the readme text. Here you can view the how to open the web application and the login details. Then run the backend and the client server. So open the terminal. Click on the new terminal. First start the backend terminal. So copy the CD backend and paste to the terminal. Next install the npm install. So copy the npm install to paste to the terminal. I have already installed, so start the backend terminal. Copy the npm start and paste to the terminal. Now backend server is connected. Next we will open the client terminal. First copy the CD client and paste to the terminal. Then run the npm. So copy the npm run div and paste to the terminal. Client server also connected. Then you can view the URL link. Copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now we can view the retail distributed web application. It's have two roles, employee and business. First let's start with the business role. Enter the vendor email ID and password. Now login successfully. Vendor handle here more than modules. First go to the create address. Here you will be add our shop location. So enter the area name. Then click on the submit. After you submit your area, then you can view the all areas on this page. Next go to the create shop. Here you will be add our shop details on this page. So enter our shop name. Then select category. Then give the address. Then select the area. Next give your city and pin code. Enter your mobile number. Next go to the update shop. Here you can view your shop details on this page. And if you want to edit and delete shop details, use the edit and delete. Then click on the geo map. Now you update your current location. Then click on the show map. You can see our shop current location. Next go to the create brand. Here you can add our product brand. Next click on the submit. Then you can view the all product brand on this page. Then go to the add product. Here you can add the brand products on this page. Select the brand and write the product name. Then click on the submit. Next, go to the product list. Here you can view the all product on this page. Next, we will move for the create category. You can add the product category list on this page. Then you can view the all category details on this page. Then go to the add employee. If you assign a new employee on this page, so register the employee details. Enter the username, email ID, password. Then give the mobile number and city. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, and a length of 8 digits. Now click on the user register. User register successfully. Now we can view the employee home page. It's have 3 modules. First go to the create order. Here you can view the shop areas. Then select the area and you can view the all shops. Then you will order the product. Click on the order. Then select the brand and select the product. Then give the quantity. Then select the category. Next click on the submit. Now your order is completed. Then go to the order summary module. Here you can view the all orders details on this page. Next you will see the product, place the date and brand. Next you can view the status. Status is pending. Then you will edit the product order. Next go to the number of order. Here you can able to see the total product categories and the number of orders like total piece, total box, that's all. After the place the order, go to the view orders. Here vendor can be see the all product orders. Then you will be check and update the product status. That's the whole retail distribute MERN web application.